So my name is Raza Begg. I have a small group of AI coaching that I do for I call it the AI baby steps. The simple AI workshops every small business owner needs, right? And so we're going to go over that. The small business owners dilemma is math problem. There simply aren't enough hours in the day to master your craft while managing the endless cycle of marketing plus content creation, lead follow up, administrative work, the grunt work, administrative grunt work, lead follow up, marketing again, customer inquiries, customer complaints, right? So the business owner is kind of stuck in this vicious cycle. So the goal is to reclaim your time with a simple text message. You do not need a computer since our science degree. If you can send a text message, you can use AI. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So it's going to save you time, generate more leads, improve follow up, create marketing faster, grow your business. And when I'm talking about communicate with your AI with a text, I'm talking about more of an agentic autonomous AI. Now, meet your new 24/7 invisible employee. AI is not a complicated code, it's a virtual assistant that never sleeps, takes no sick days, works around the clock to write your content emails, generate marketing ideas, answer customer questions, follow up with leads. The small business AI tech stack. And this is something that I recommend all business owners. 5 tools to automate every phase of your business, right? Everybody knows how to use Chat GPT. So it's a function is to write, right? The tool is Chat GPT. The output is emails, social media posts, blog articles, sales scripts. For design, you should use Canva AI. Canva's just now added an AI version of it, which is incredible. It'll make you social graphics, flyers, presentations. You can do that with Chat GPT as well, but Canva is more customizable and you can control it. For research, I recommend Perplexity. Its comparative analysis and market trends is far more better than ChatGPT. Again, now, if you're using video content, Terry, I would say try to use also CapCut AI. It can actually create reels, TikTok, short form video, and long form. So you can take one video, you record it, and it can make multiple clips of it, right? And then you can automate all of that using ZenTap AI, missed calls, reminders, lead qualification. Quick plug. ZenTap is my company, and we do that for small businesses. Now, here's something that you will be able to do: instant drafting and deep market research. So in ChatGPT, you can type in as an expert writer, right? So you can say, here are 10 Facebook posts to educate homeowners about storm damage. So what ChatGPT will do is it'll create you your post. So like a first post, did you know every small hail can cause hidden roof damage? And you're educating, right? So the output is instant marketing campaigns. Instant, and what the way you're going to do is you're going to create a prompt, like you're going to tell what the AI should do. You can tell the input would be, I own a roofing company in Dallas, create 10 Facebook posts that educate homeowners about storm damage. Now, one of the things I would add to that is be an expert uh, author and write content based on your marketing skills. So what the Chat GPT will do is act as an expert marketer, and it'll create a more accurate marketing campaign. Now, for data analysts, as data to get really good data and get good graphics for that, use Perplexity. It's a data analyst that's sitting on your computer, right? And what you do is you say, show me the latest marketing trends for roofing companies. And it'll actually give you some key insights that ChatGPT will not do that. So in any industry, you want to, whatever your industry is, you want to get some data, use that. Now, one of the things that people do is they use the ChatGPT or AI for pictures, right? Now, most people will just kind of post a picture the way it is. What I would do is I would take that picture, put it in Canva AI, create a professional Facebook ad and marketing material in under 2 minutes. So you can actually use a picture, and if you want to do paid ads on Facebook, make sure that you create the correct size and proportional ad content that fits the ad and the right spacing. So you have to tell Canva AI, I'm creating a Facebook ad. Please take this picture and convert it to XYZ format, right? And same thing with CapCut AI. Transform static photos into dynamic, trend-ready reels and TikToks instantly. So it'll take a picture and it can create reels for TikTok instantly. So if you've never tried it, I would recommend go play with it. CapCut is free. Some features are paid, but mostly a lot of stuff you can do for free. Now, catch every lead while you are on a job site, right? So ZenTap, voice assistants, that's my company. So we make sure that we educate our clients. Hey, stop losing business to the competitors just because you were busy. So one of the things our ZenTap AI voice AI does is picks up any missed calls. We have missed call text back, instant lead qualification, automated appointment reminder. So that's something that every business should have. Most businesses still have the old school landline tap of a phone number and a voicemail, right? Now, stop creating from scratch. Start editing the first draft. Now, one of the things I would say is when I do some kind of a content marketing, I'm telling the Chat GPT or Perplexity, the prompt is I'm a plumbing company, create 10 Facebook posts, 5 email campaigns, 10 text message follow-ups, and 5 customer review requests. And the old school way would be, you're sitting there for like 4 hours. Imagine how long it would take to create 10 Facebook posts, 5 email campaigns, 10 text message follow-ups, and 5 customer review requests. It'll take you about 4 hours. The AI way is it's going to take you 10 seconds of instant generation. You put this one prompt in, and it's going to spit out all the content. So what you're doing is you're really reclaiming your time so you can spend more time with your kids and your grandkids. Now, the self-feeding lead generation flywheel, AI doesn't just do tasks. It builds synergistic systems to capture and convert. One of the things I have always talked about is 3 C's of marketing, create, capture, and convert. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to do attract, which is with a lead magnet. So if you're a real estate agent, create a homeowner guide. If you're an insurance agent, create an insurance guide. Something that becomes a lead magnet. And I can answer a question of what is a lead magnet, and we can help you develop and build one. Nurture, social media content, daily educational posts. And third is convert, automated follow-up, responding in seconds. Most and 90% of the businesses are lacking this particular flywheel where they are attracting leads, giving away something of value, capturing the contact, nurturing the leads, and then converting them. Most business owners are praying and hoping that somebody shows up and they're able to close them. Unlock the expert results with prompt engine, right? So better prompts equal better results. Stop talking to AI like a search engine and start giving it a framework. So a lot of people, what they do is they just talk to ChatGPT like it's Google, and they say, do this, or find me this, or how do I do this, right? But what you want to do is you want to be able to identify the role, audience, goal, and format. So for example, like I said earlier, you tell ChatGPT, you're an expert marketing consultant. That's the role. Create a Facebook post for homeowners in Dallas. That's the audience that you identify, right? Explaining why annual roof inspections save money. That's the goal or the pain. Then include a call to action. So a lot of people put posts out there, but they're missing the CTA, or what's called the call to action. People like your video, but there's no call to action for them to take action. What do they do next? Inbox me, DM me for more details. Message me for a free guide to how to become the first millionaire in your business, for insurance agents, or for roofers, how to protect your roof, right? Message me, inbox me, DM me. That's called a call to action. So that's basic marketing. But what you got to do is you have to build that into your prompt, so your tone is understood by the AI and it'll give you the right prompts, right? So your 5-minute activation plan for today. Okay. Don't wait. Take action today and prove the system works for your business. So if you want, on your phones, or you could be on a computer, you can do this. You can take a screenshot of this and you can practice this. So you can open Chat GPT, run one prompt using the prompt engine for your specific business. Like I said, identify the role, the goal, the audience, and the call to action. So role, what's the role of the AI? What's your audience? What's your call to what's your goal, and what's your call to action, right? Generate one social media post, generate one email, outline one lead generation idea, but make sure that you identify the correct role for the AI, so that it can give you the correct output. An AI is still a computer. It will only give you out what you put in, right? It'll only give you out what you put in. So you want to make sure that your prompts are connected to what you want to do, right? So like I said, the example is you are an expert marketing consultant. That's the role. Create a Facebook post for homeowners, Dallas. That's the audience. Explaining why annual roof inspections save money. That's the goal. Include a call to action. That's the format, right? Now, again, this is the homework. Take a picture of it. Go and do this exact same thing that I showed you, but giving the AI a role, not just ask it question like you are searching Google. Okay. Now, everything you need to take your first steps. As a participant in today's workshop, what I'm going to do is give you 25 beginner AI prompts, the social media prompt pack, email marketing templates, lead generation templates, the complete AI tool resource guide. So everybody who's here, I'm going to share a link to Google Drive where you'll be able to get all of this stuff, right? Now, the cost of waiting is costing your business. AI is not replacing business owners, but business owners who use AI will rapidly replace those who do not, right? So you can be status quo. The businesses that learn AI today will outproduce, outmarket, and outperform their competition by an order of huge magnitude, right? And it's going to be a hockey stick evolution of AI. It's already moving so fast, I can barely keep up with it. Okay. So join the AI movement before your competition does. Continue your transformation in the AI Baby Steps community. Learn one new skill every 2 weeks. So I'm going to do this every 2 weeks. The next one is July 22nd. For everybody who's here, thank you very much for being here today. And today I wanted to kind of keep it the first one, and I wanted to keep it very short. And I'm going to actually share the pack that I'm going to give everybody. I'm going to share this with everybody. Let me see if you can you see the link in the chat. Let me know if you are able to open the link in the chat. Terry, does it open up for you?
Yeah, it opened. It worked.
Okay, it worked. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it works.
So this is I'm giving you a 25 prompt beginner AI prompts for marketing, lead generation, sales prompts, customer service prompt, productivity prompts, social media prompts, 30 days of content. So you will give it a very specific, again, role, audience, target, call to action, right? Prompt 2, viral content, real scripts, customer problems, email marketing templates. follow-up templates, lead gen templates, lead ads, somebody who's doing paid ads, referral campaigns, a complete toolkit guide, beginner tools that you need for writing. Claude is good for long form content. Gemini is good for Google integration, research, content creation, then content creation, Canva AI, CapCut for reels and clips, for Perplexity for research tools, marketing research. I've broken that down by which AI is good for what functionality, right? Most people only use ChatGPT, but they don't understand that it still has limitations. So you can try using Claude, Gemini for different solutions, Canva AI, CapCut AI, Perplexity is for more deep research. And again, business automation, Zentap AI, which is my company. We can set up businesses with AI chatbots, AI voice agents, missed call text backs, appointment scheduling, lead follow-up automation. Now, when you're doing paid ads or any kind of usage of AI starter, you might spend $20 to $50 a month. Claude is $20 a month. ChatGPT is $20 a month. If you're doing aggressive marketing, Claude, their master plan is $200 a month, right? Advanced, so you can do multiple tools and stuff that can increase. But the goal is to increase revenue with it, right? Now, here's a workshop, an assignment for you guys. For the next workshop is July 22nd. But between now and then, you got 2 weeks to kind of practice it out. So create one AI generated social media post. Some of you are already doing it, but some of you are completely brand new. Create one AI generated email, create one AI generated lead magnet. What does lead magnet mean? Is something that you're giving away for free, right? It can be a 1-page PDF. It can be a 10-page PDF. Life insurance hacks, right? Roofing tips on how to maintain your roof. Anything, depending on your business, right? Top 4 benefits of having not having an annuity or having an annuity. Why life insurance, right? Different things. Use one new tool. So I would challenge you guys to try Claude, try Perplexity. Now, all of them have a free usage platform, right? All of them have a free user option. You can use that. Gemini, Google Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, and Perplexity all have a free option. All right. Now share results with us. And the goal isn't to become an AI expert. The goal is to use AI to save time, generate more leads, and grow your business one step at a time. Right. So you guys are going to have this. I do have a calendar link I have actually a bonus. So I have a bonus infographics. This is pretty complex. I want you guys so you can make this bigger to be able to read it, but it's infographics, and I put everything that I did today in this one page. Okay. And then I've got AI baby steps, small business automation. It's also all in one page. So everybody has the link for that. I want to make sure just everybody can open it. If you click on it, it should open up. Did it open up for everybody?
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. All right, great. So this is something that I wanted to kind of give to you guys to kind of be able to use it. I will